So a lot of people ask me if I had to choose between affiliate marketing and print on demand, which would be the first one to start with as a new online entrepreneur. So I'm making this video to sort of give you the pros and cons of both so that you can make up your mind yourself. I might give my opinion towards the end. So with both affiliate marketing and print on demand, you can work from anywhere in the world. It is so amazing. I'm right now in an Airbnb in Jacksonville, Florida. It's a great place. It has its ups and downs as well, but I like it and I'm comfortable here and I can visit the people that I love. Also, what's very positive about affiliate marketing and print on demand is that as long as you're connected to the internet and you have a computer, you're in business. Also, with both affiliate marketing and print on demand, you can work any time during the day. You're not stuck in a 9-to-5 or 8-to-6 job. With affiliate marketing, you have to know marketing. I mean, how could you otherwise market to someone? So that's like a drawback of affiliate marketing, is that you have to know marketing. If you don't, it's going to take you a while to learn it. Another drawback about affiliate marketing is that sometimes you want to get into an affiliate program, but you won't be let in, you won't be accepted. It's kind of hard to get accepted by Amazon, for example. And once you get halfway into Amazon, they're going to expect you to make 3 big sales before they will let you in for real. And those 3 sales have to be made by other people in 180 days from your start. Another negative thing about affiliate marketing is that you have to go for volume, because usually your commission is fairly low. So you have to get a huge volume of customers in order to make any kind of decent money. So I'd say the start to get started on affiliate marketing is quite long, because there is volume to be created, an influence to be created, or a lot of money to be put into ads, and it's gonna take a while for you to learn marketing. The positive stuff about affiliate marketing, oh my gosh, is that you don't have to take responsibility for logistics, even product quality, customer service, even payments are set up for you. The only thing you need to care about is to get the customer to feel the need to click your link and buy the product or service that you're marketing. So it's so easy for you. It's really worry-free, completely worry-free. You're just like a salesperson getting a commission for a sale. And the drawbacks of dropshipping is that in some of the platforms you can't choose exactly the quality of the products that you want. If you're on a print-on-demand platform, you have to sort of get the products that's already there, like with the Redbubble, for example. You can't select the quality of a certain t-shirt that you want to sell. You sell the t-shirts that are there with your prints on it. One drawback about Redbubble print on demand is that it's kind of hard to influence your sales. You can tag your products with certain keywords, but it's hard for you to get shown in the Redbubble searches. Hard for you to affect that, how much you're shown. The great thing about Redbubble is that it is so easy to get started. I mean, you're like this up and running on a web shop. The products are already there and you're just putting your prints on them. One great thing about Redbubble is that you can set the prices yourself, as long as you're not too expensive compared to competition. And so you can really play with that. One great thing about Redbubble too is that you can change the designs on your products. If there's something that you don't like, just upload a new version of that design and it's going to be right there on the platform right away from the moment you do it. Another positive thing about Redbubble is that your products are not printed until someone orders them. So there's no stock for you to worry about. There are no initial down payments or anything like that. So yeah, that's great. With affiliate marketing, it's going to take longer. I'm earning money from Canva because I'm an affiliate for Canva, and I earn money from other affiliate links as well. But it takes a bit longer to get those links in front of your audience. The quickest way to make money, to make your first bucks, would be to go for Redbubble actually. Because literally I was making money 2 hours after uploading a certain design in the beginning. So that was like a 2-hour start to get my first dollars in. And Redbubble will take care of everything for you. So you don't have to do the marketing yourself. Of course you can. You can always direct your audience, point your audience to your Redbubble webshop. But if you don't, you can still make sales in Redbubble because Redbubble will promote your stuff for you. And it has to do with the easiness of just tagging your stuff with important keywords as you upload them to that platform. Within hours I got started on Redbubble. It was a Friday afternoon. I was creating designs, I was uploading, and within 2 hours I made my first sale. And that, I swear, is the truth. So you have to make a lot of sales to make a lot of money. But as you keep progressing with your designs, the more products that you have and designs that you have on the platform, the more likely you are to get sales. And I've also got a good tip for you related to stickers, because stickers are very common to sell on Redbubble. And if you make a sticker pack, you're gonna stand a chance in competition to get that sale. What's also great about Redbubble is that you get paid instantly. So once someone orders your product, it is going to print and be shipped to your customer. You don't have to do anything, but you get the commission. So once the sale happens, once it's printed and sent, you get that commission. So it's not like with a lot of other affiliate links or other platforms that you have to make like $10 or $100 in order to get a payout. You get a payout instantly on Redbubble. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments below, what kind of designs are you gonna make for your Redbubble webshop? Next, watch this video on how to set up a Redbubble webshop and how to upload designs to your products.